So y'all finna experiment. Hopefully I won't mess nothing up. I don't think I can mess this up. But I seen this meal on Facebook, and the only thing that I got different, my sausages are different because Walmart Plus substituted it. They didn't have the ones that this person had. I also got frozen peppers. Y'all know I've never bought frozen peppers. I always cut up my own bell peppers and everything. But I bought this stuff to kind of cheat, to make it quicker, you know, so it won't take me as long. And instead of raw chicken breast, I got the grilled chicken, because that's all she did. She baked, well, fried chicken breast and cut them up into cubes. So these are already cut up. So I think that's the only thing that I got different. And instead of the container of beef broth, I got the cans. That's because they substituted that as well. Oh, and instead of the Frigo cheese, I got the grated Frigo Parmesan cheese shredded, because this store didn't have it. And I changed 3 stores. They didn't have the block. She had it like a block cheese with the triangle. It's shaped as a triangle. But I'm like, that can't hurt. So it's inspired by her meal. And I'll try to take a screenshot of her page to show y'all what I'm talking about. But yeah, I think she started with the sausages. And I already got my pan heating up. I'm gonna use sesame seed oil. She used different oil too, different seasonings. The only seasoning that I have that she used is this one. So I bought this one as well. So this one isn't even open yet, as you can see. Yeah, and a tube of tomato paste. So I'm about to cut up my sausages first. She cooked these first, and then she took the sausages out and put the peppers in. So just in case I skip some and come back and y'all like, well, what did you do next? I'm telling you what I'm gonna do. Saute these sausages first, take them out, put them in a bowl to the side somewhere. Then I'm gonna saute my peppers. Oh, also I need my whipping cream. Yes, that's what I'm missing. I hope they brought that too. And she also had the Great Value whipping cream. So yeah, she had a lot of Great Value things, which I tell you guys, I can deal with Great Value. Like, it's only certain things that I can't deal with Great Value. She had the Great Value rotini as well. So if I can get it cheaper, I am gonna get it cheaper. Noodles are noodles to me. But something I can't have, y'all been watching me for years, y'all know, Great Value ketchup. Can't do it. I need Heinz ketchup. It tastes, you can taste the difference. Okay? But she had the McCormick fajita. She used 1.5 packet of this. So I'm gonna try to keep watching her video, pausing it, going back, doing whatever she's doing. I'm not gonna pour my oil in there yet because it's just gonna burn. What's that? Missed the spot. Okay, I gotta rinse this out again because the heat is coming up now, so it's gonna show you any impurities that you missed cleaning out your pot. All right. I said I hope these don't taste like hot dogs because I like the thick Hillshire Farm sausages. So I'm gonna cut these up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my oil in here. Some. I don't know how many I'm gonna do. Remember, I'm feeding a grown man too, not this kid. So I'm gonna do more than this. Y'all remember how this eye is. Look at that. Orange. And it's on fire. Darn shame. Okay, while these were sauteing, she seasoned her raw chicken breast. So I'm gonna season these. Should I wash these? But they're like already roasted. Like if I wash them, would I knock the seasoning off? Should I wash these? Okay, because it say fully cooked, but did they wash them before they cooked it? I think the chicken is now contaminated. I just dropped my phone right there. I ain't have to tell y'all that, but just did. Roasted garlic. This is what she seasoned hers with. But she said something in the video that didn't make sense to me. She was like, I'm going to season my chicken, let it finish in the oven. But I didn't see her put it in the oven. I saw her cook the chicken breast on top of the stove. I never seen her cook it a little bit on top of the stove, then put it in the oven. So even though this is already done, I don't have to do that anyway. But she did use this seasoning here, the roasted garlic and herb by Weber or Weber. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, even though I like my sausages kind of like that, burnt a little bit. I'm gonna take these out so I can get to the next step. Okay, she did the peppers next. Alright, peppers in there. Opening the tomato paste now. And you gotta stick the sharp part. Stick the top on backwards to open it. To poke a hole in it. There we go. And she just drizzled some on there. That's what she did. Okay, I got my beef broth. So Leia's holding the camera. I'm only gonna tap one hole in it on one side, like that, like so. And tap another hole in it on the opposite side, just to give it some air. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it on in the pot. I'm not sure how much beef broth she poured in here. I'm gonna just pour a little bit to get it quiet down. Alright. I'm making a mess. Beef broth. I just cleaned up some tomato paste. I don't even know how that splashed way over here. The tomato paste. She did the heavy whipping cream next. She didn't give measurements on this particular video. But she did say it was available on her page, so I'm just eyeballing everything. She did minced garlic as well and Parmesan cheese. I gotta grab my minced garlic. Minced garlic. About to get some out of here. Yes, I said some. I didn't say a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Probably just to your liking, huh? That's what it looked like she did right there. Parmesan cheese. Don't know how much. And she did a whole pack and a half a pack. Alright, the fajita sauce. Fajita spices. Whatever it is. It smells like tacos. I have to put the camera down to get the rest of it out of there because I feel some in the corner. You see that? All that brown in the corner. And then she did a half in the next pack. So I'm just going to put my finger where I think half stop. Like that. And then dump it in here. Alright. So I'm going to mix all of this up. And then she did add Morton's seasoning after that step, but I'm not adding that. You can add your own seasoning. After she put the fajita sauce in there, she added some Morton's seasoning. And you probably could add shrimp in here, crab, make it your own. You could add steak in here. You could do whatever you want to do. Do I need some more heavy whipping cream? Or did I put too much? Maybe the more it's summer, it'll get thicker. Because now she added her sausage and her chicken in here. And remember, I got my chicken right here that I got to mix up, that I seasoned. I'm going to mix it with my hand in. Rinse my hands off. Alright, I'm going to dump this chicken in this sauce. I probably should have added my noodles first. Yeah, I'm going to add the noodles before I add the sausages. wish I had a bigger pan too. If I have to add more whipping cream, I will do that. This is a big box of noodles. It's not that many. Pour it all down in there. Let it get coated. I gotta put the camera down so I can flip some of this sauce over these noodles, and then I pour the sausages on top. Yeah, I'm adding more heavy whipping cream because ain't no way these noodles are gonna cook. Dry like that. And I gotta turn the stove up. I turned it down for a minute so I can catch up with everything. Now I'm about to mix this up before I add these sausages. And that's almost the whole thing. And this is what a 32 ounce, 1 quart. It's like a quarter left in here, it feels like. Yeah, that worked. Just gotta move them around so they can cook through. I have the stove on 5 right now, but it could be on 2, knowing this eye. Y'all know how this eye is. When I want it on low, it go on high. When I want it on high, it go low. So I'm gonna just cook this, keep stirring it occasionally until these noodles are done. I'll put my sausages in there last. That's my sausages right there. Put those in last. I might try to turn it up a little bit because these little bubbles every now and then ain't doing it for me. Because this should have been a quick meal. It is good. Y'all know I got to have me a Sprite nearby. Good. And I guess you could just let this simmer. Like turn it down, let it simmer until your noodles are done. That's all you're waiting on. If you cheat and buy the already done grilled chicken breast like I did, it's gonna be a quick meal. Now I'm gonna turn it down and let it simmer. Let all them flavors mix in together. And this is done. I put tinfoil over it, y'all. It got a little vent in it. She didn't put a lid on hers, but I need these noodles to cook. I should have put the noodles in the peppers and heavy whipping cream first before I added any chicken. To let those noodles cook in some liquid so they can get done. So the noodles are still hard, so I'm just gonna cover it and let this sit on 3 until the noodles are done. Alright, y'all, the fajita pasta is done. I let it stay on low and let them noodles cook. So this is the Frigo shredded cheese. Should just put a little bit on top. Okay, I got my spork. Ooh, it's hot. Soraya in there waiting on her plate. It's hot, y'all. Yes, indeed. I love trying new stuff. When it's stuff I already cook, but separate. Like I cook grilled chicken, I cook sausages, I cook noodles. Why not put it all together? Y'all gotta try that. Just remember to put the noodles and the whipping cream sauce and veggies first before you add your meat, because your meat is already done. Get them noodles done first. That's why it took so long for the noodles to get done. Hope y'all are having a great Sunday evening. Maybe by the time you see, this video is gonna be Monday. So yeah, this turned out very well. It's really good. Y'all know I'll tell you if I don't like it, like that other meal where I messed up the baked chicken and Alfredo sauce and all that. That was not given, baby. But this is really good. See, y'all need to watch somebody like me that'll tell the truth. I'm no Rachel Ray, honey. I'm not gonna say, everything is delicious I cook. She lying. You got to mess up sometime when you're trying new stuff. Now, if you cooking the same thing over and over, there's no way you should be messing up, because you should have mastered that by now. But this is really good, and it's my first time making it. All right, y'all. Toodles. And yes, my man already likes it. He's been eating it.